everyone, thanks for tuning in. My name is Mercy and this is the Funny Pajamas YouTube channel. So this video is going to be kind of very different from the last videos I've done. This of late, okay, little context. Of late I've been getting a lot into manga and manga collecting. So I invested and bought in my first box set. And as you can see, it's the Full Metal Alchemist box set. Now you're probably wondering, Mercy, why go ahead and buy this box set of singles when those amazingly sick looking hardcover, the Full Metal editions are being released currently? Well, the thing is, I thought, okay, I'm collecting, I'd give this one a go instead of, because the current Full Metal editions are still, serializing and they still have to come out. I don't believe they've put out all of them yet. And also some are unavailable on Amazon. Amazon being my primary source for manga right now, since India has a shortage of manga, outlets, particularly in store outlets. So I thought I'd go ahead with this. Now, Full Metal Alchemist, I remember the first 2003 version that I used to watch when I was a kid. And when Brotherhood came out also, I watched some episodes of them. I've never really gone through the entire series, and I have managed to stay clear of spoilers for now. But I'm hoping that I'll be able to catch up with this, and I can't wait to binge read this baby. So I thought I'd do something different from my usual movie and entertainment themed stuff and go and do a manga box set unboxing. So let's get down. I bought this box set on Amazon. It seemed to have a pretty decent price, and this is the first manga box set that I have ever indulged in. I have my eye on that Tokyo Ghoul box set, and I do plan to get it. My birthday month is next week, so I'm hoping to do that. So let's start opening this baby up. Now, Full Metal Alchemist, like I said before, I haven't watched the entire anime. I watched episodes here and there and I did enjoy it. And I thought I would invest in the manga for a change. I'm by no means an expert manga collector. I love spending my time watching manga haul videos and manga unboxings. So here goes. Let me just put that aside for some time. Okay. So basically this is the box we've got. You got Edward and Alphonse right on the cover. This is the back. Pretty hot in Chennai, and if I put on the fan, my fan makes the sound of an industrial, factory. So not good for quality. Okay, we've got Velcro here. Okay, let's open this baby up. Okay, get a load of that. We've got a little, a small picture with Edward and Colonel Mustang Winry and Hawkeye, and I think the Scar in the background there. I will say my favorite character in Full Metal Alchemist is by far Colonel Roy Mustang. And he's my favorite character, hands down in, Full Metal Alchemist. I know Full Metal Alchemist, the 2003 version, veered away from the manga a bit. And Brotherhood, I heard, followed the manga pretty, strictly. So let's have a look at these babies. Okay. Here we have the first volume. Pretty good condition. Amazon's not known for giving the best, delivery wise, but best condition. I get quite a lot of manga which is yellowing and stuff. Here we go. Alphonse and Elric there. Now, for those of you who don't know the story behind Full Metal Alchemist, I'll put up a tiny blurb here so that you guys can read it and you'll have a basic idea of what a gist of what the storyline is. Basically follows two brothers. This is Edward Elric and Alphonse Elric. Edward is called the Full Metal Alchemist, and they lost their body parts. Alphonse his entire body, and Edward his hand and his leg, and they are on the hunt to get their bodies back. Look at this. Okay, so we've got Scar there, and we've got Envy, Gluttony and Lust. So that's a good one. That's pretty one. Look at these. I love the glossy finish and the condition they're in. I'm glad they're in very good condition. Winry, my girl Winry, I like her a lot. She's their mechanic, their automobile mechanic, and services Edward's arm and leg and stuff like that. Okay, here we've got them as kids, probably in the jungle somewhere. Like I said, I have not watched the anime through. Ooh, Lieutenant Hawkeye is also one of my favorite characters. I think she and Mustang make a really good, they're one of my favorite ships actually. More than Edward and Winry, I like to ship Colonel Mustang and Riza Hawkeye. So that's Edward looking badass there. Seems to be having a couple of, articles there, sort of. Okay, let's start with the, the bottom row. Oh man, trying to get this out. Okay, so we got Mustang, Hawkeye, and I don't know this character's name, but I know he's like an officer along with Mustang. So there's that. Then this volume 16, Edward and Alric. I like how they've centered it a lot on Edward and Alric. I would have liked to see more characters. So, that I believe is Armstrong, the Armstrong sister. I don't know her name right off the bat, so forgive me for that. There we go. And then here we have volume 18, Edward and Alphonse again on the thing. Yeah, over there. And that's back there. Volume 19, looking good. The spoilers, if I would tell you who this is, but so I'll try to stay away from that. But this one looks really good. I like this cover really. Boys, looking good. This is good. Whole cover dedicated only to Alphonse, or Al as we call him. Looking good. He looks so badass in this. I like it. The brothers sitting together with a mysterious character. And the spine you've got, I believe this is Sloth. This is either Sloth or Gluttony. I don't know who it is. Don't call me out on that. Episode 23 with Envy on the spine. Here, can have a look at that. I don't know if it's focusing or not, but check it out. Oh wow, this is a cover with Mustang. This is going to be my favorite cover. This is volume number 23. And then we have 24 with the Führer. Yeah, he's a pretty badass character. Not my favorite in the series, but I do like him. Yes, he's got his moments. Okay. Lot going on in that photo there. Don't want to spoil stuff. So that's Alphonse. All main characters. Alphonse, Elric. This is their master, the one who teaches them alchemy. And finally, volume 27. This is the final chapter. So happy. This, can't wait to get into this. And then there's an extra book. Ooh, this is mad. Okay, in case you've seen, these are all nice glossy stuff. Sorry, my my lights are giving me a glare. Nice glossy stuff, but I do believe I am partial to matte, which this is. So this is nice and matte. Now what is this? I believe this is a novel, a standalone novel. Now I have not dipped my toes into the light novel genre. So you know, I do plan to do that soon. So this is my basic unboxing for Full Metal Alchemist, the box set. Let me know what you think. Do you guys think I should do more of these sort of, you know, unboxing of, I have been buying quite a lot of manga, so do you think I should do more unboxing of manga? Or do you, you know, did you like this type of video? I would probably take a shopping for manga with me video, but you know, India has a shortage of manga stores, stores where they sell manga. My only outlet is through Amazon. Oh look, there's a poster. Okay, let's check out this poster. Okay, there's Alphonse and Edward. Can you see this? I hope it's not reflecting too much. They're sitting there, and I think Alphonse eating some donuts, some bagels or something like that. See. Oh yeah, I like this one better. This is my favorite so far. I definitely like this poster more than this one. So I'm going to put it back. Okay guys, give me a moment while I put this back, and then I'll get right back to you. Okay, I guess I managed to get everything back in there. So I've got a whole lot of reading for me to do now. Give you a final look at the at how it looks. Don't mind my hands, sorry. So what do you think? Do you think I should do more of these type of videos? Are you guys manga readers? I know more. My channel is primarily a movie and entertainment channel, but I thought I'd do something different since I've been getting into manga a lot lately. I don't order much manga per month, but if you want me to do little hauls or unboxing, let me know down in the comment section down below. And listen, while you're here, don't forget to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that beautiful bell icon so that you're notified every time I post something new. So that's about all I have for you right now. So I'm going to sign out right now. You can always contact me on Twitter simply on Mercy_D, on Instagram at Mercy_SD. Don't forget to check out the Funny Pajamas Facebook page at funny.pajamas, and be sure to write me. You can contact me through email simply on mercy@funny-pajamas.com. Pajamas with a Y. Don't forget to check out the website. That's simply at www.funny-pajamas.com. Need I say it? Pajamas with a Y. That's all I have for you lovely people right now. So I'm going to say bye right now. Peace out everybody. This is Mercy saying goodbye. Have a good one.